we're at Walmart and we heard they had slime here, so we came to check it out, and I'm really excited because I'm guessing that it's gonna be really good.
Yeah.
So let's do this. I wonder if there's squishies here. I don't know, but we'll have to see.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Is that your baby?
Yes.
It's a good price, $11.88.
Yes. Look at all these. And bubble wrap.
Oh, I love it.
I already found slime, guys. There's silly putty. There's a variety pack and these.
So they have these. So this one, it has the original Super Brights, Super Brights, Super Brights, and Super Brights. This is so
this
cool.
one has the original and super bright pink.
Yeah. It's super cool.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's a flip sequin diary.
That's exactly like your pillow.
I know. This feels amazing.
What do you have? Paint? Very cool.
Bunch of stuff.
That's so cool.
Look at this, guys. This is how they turn out. They're like G.
Look, they got glitter glue, you guys.
Glitter glue, let's get it. Let's get it all.
Red.
Let's get rubber bands for slime and make
could
the
make it
ultimate crunchy slime.
Use all of them.
Can we get beads for slime? Or sequins?
Look at this even.
Or pom-poms?
Or paper. We're looking for slime, not slime supplies.
Guys, look at this. This is extreme glue. I wonder how it will do with slime.
So much
Extreme school glue for bigger, tougher projects.
That looks so weird. Guys, look at this holographic glitter. OMG. I have to get this.
What do you got there, silly monkey?
Look at this mega pack of glitter.
That is really cool. How much is that, London? Did you see?
It is, you know, it was right here.
I think it's $6.97.
Glitter
Cool.
shakers, yeah.
That's not a bad deal.
No, not at all.
Want to get that, Maya?
Yes.
Okay, get it.
Yes. It has hollow glitter. And it's the last
It's the last one.
G. This is ginormous.
That
It's as big as Olivia's head. Even bigger.
What?
The head's only a little bigger.
it's like
This is smaller than Mommy's head.
No.
What?
This is smaller than Mommy's head.
Yeah, it is.
Gosh, and look at all this gel glue they have.
I know they have a lot.
This is like slime amazement.
Yeah.
You look like you just won $1 million.
Almost. We're getting off task. We should probably go look at the other section.
There's Halloween and then Christmas.
There's
We have Christmas,
and
Halloween.
Christmas.
I know. I think it's ridiculous.
So they literally have Halloween right here, and then they have Christmas right here. I mean, it's not even
Makes no
past
sense.
Halloween, and then it's not even past Thanksgiving.
That should
and
be
they already have
illegal.
Christmas around.
Should be illegal.
Yeah, it's a new law.
I actually really agree. So if you ever run for president, can you promise that you'll make it illegal?
Yes. I
Illegal.
promise you that.
It's illegal. Illegal now. Yes, it's illegal. Although I do really like Christmas. Yeah, but
I like Thanksgiving more. Because Moa's birthday is on Thanksgiving.
Guys, it's Nerdy Nuggies.
I want a body.
Look at her coming stuff.
Life is what you bake it. Nom nom. Cheers. She has her own sprinkles.
Oh my god.
Sugar gems. Oh my gosh, I got a candy.
You love Nerdy Nummies?
Yes. Harry Potter lightning skulls. Lightning bolts. Oh my gosh. Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, Okay, wait a minute. This is the heart and poop.
What the scent?
Oh
my God. This doesn't really look like it's party favors. Maybe the next style. So let's check.
Let's go. Well, that's disgusting.
Ollie, look, it's poop.
No.
People be flarp in like the toy section.
Yeah.
Or sometimes there's just like
London just saved your life.
Play-Doh.
oh, that's a pretty
This
color.
is so pretty.
I see
Small
a
kinetic
slime cake.
sands.
I see a slime cake. That could be a good sign.
Oh
That's
yes.
a slime
Look,
They're
you're
so
so pretty.
Green florp. They have an orange florp and they have yellow.
And for this, they have clear putty, glow putty, color change putty, and back there's laser putty.
Laser putty.
Oh yeah.
And those are how much? $5.88?
These are $5.88,
Yeah.
and then the florps are $1. Wait,
Look at this.
yeah, $1.
If they have it, it would have to be in the little bins over there.
And the little bins, let's go look again.
Okay.
Oh my, London, you look creepy.
Oh my.
Howdy.
You can barely hear anything.
What?
You can barely hear anything. You have to talk out of the eyeballs.
Yeah.
Everything's yellow.
Now I can talk.
Maybe it'll be here. Oh yeah. What's up, I'll look in here.
I'm too tiny.
Oh, that's cute nail polish. Oh my gosh, that is so spiky. That's dangerous.
That's for evil babies. Evil children.
Maybe it's a bad idea to put pens next to cardboard. A whoopee cushion?
It's a whoopee cushion. So you think they had them and maybe they sold out?
Yeah.
Probably because I remember I've seen squishies here and they are all sold out.
We're too late.
Okay,
You know where they usually have like the blind bags over there? See if they have it there.
oh yeah.
Oh, that pizza smells so good.
Okay. So they have amazing putty.
Yeah, amazing putty.
And amazing putty, fidget spinners, and just
So no slime.
I didn't see slime. The only things we did see were, of course, this, the putty,
flarp,
and then
the
flarp.
Clear putty, yeah.
Yeah.
So So we didn't find anything, but it wasn't a total bummer because we still found some really good stuff. So if you guys have slime at your local Walmart, let us know in the comments down below and which section it was in. So we're gonna go check out a couple other stores and we'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up.
Bye guys.